Your love. For me, your love is like spring rain. For me, your love is the 7 colors of the rainbow. It makes me immortal. Like light, it encourages me to go forth and devours the darkness. It is your love that brings the tidings of spring to my parched heart and makes it blossom again. Your love is harbinger of life. Come, I will tell you that in absence of your love, I will go astray in a labyrinth, and darkness will settle into my chest and reduces me into ashes, and it will blow my ashes away. If the door of your love is closed on me, I will lose my existence.